Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video you might have noticed that I'm in something a little bit different to normal. I'm actually in a Ford Transit custom campervan. My mate Luke down at Rustinuts has lent me this campervan for a couple of days. I'm just, you know, just trying it out because I just kind of fancy a campervan maybe in the future. So he kindly offered to lend me one, said have it for a few days, see how you get on with it. I've just picked it up and I'm on the way back home now, but I'm hungry, so I thought what I'd do is I'll make a quick meal on my Trangia because I've brought it with me. You know, it's all good to go in the bag, you know, everything I need's in it. So I quickly grabbed actually grabbed one of these, look. Grabbed an all-day breakfast wayfaring meal, and I thought, quick meal in the Trangia for lunch on the way home and a cup of tea. So let's get that done. More plate. Gonna need that. Not really gonna need that either. Over there. We'll use that saucepan maybe. Oh, this bigger one would be better. Yeah, I used a bigger one, I think. Put that over there. I've already pre-filled it with fuel, that's why it was so tight. I always tighten these things up too much. We'll let that bloom. What we're going to do is we're going to open this up. They're all into there. You can heat these up in the bag, which I have done previously, but I've only got that amount of water with me, and I want to make a cup of tea, so I don't really want to use all the water just to boil this, and I can just do it in here. Get that on there. Well, that's starting to warm up nicely. This will be warming up in no time. And what I'm thinking is I probably should have done the tea first. Actually, yes, I'm going to do the tea. Use one of these. Yeah, so I should have done this first really. Could have got that boiling. There's only a small amount in there. And then while the tea was brewing I could have heated that up, couldn't I? Let's get this in. This looks like it's heated up already. What I'll do is I'll put the lid over it. Just keep it warm while the water's boiling. I'll pop myself a tea bag in, an Earl Grey. Get that brewing and heat that up. And that should be lunch sorted. Well, that wasn't long at all. Looks like it's about to boil. Let's have a little look. Oh, yeah, that's ready. So I'll take the saucepan back on. Get that heated up. By the time this is heated up, my tea should be brewed nicely. I'm ready to go. Let's test it. Yeah, that's hot. That's ready. I would say it's time to plate this up. And the jet ball spoon's closing on me now. A bit flimsy these are, to be honest. They fit in the kettle nicely, but yeah, they're not great to use. It doesn't look like much of a portion, that does it, when you take it out of the bag? Tea's ready. A bit of omelette in there as well. Bit of omelette up. That's heated through really well, actually. Let's check these sausages. How many sausages? I actually quite like these. No, they're actually nice and hot as well. There was a bit of bacon then. Chunk of bacon. Little chunks of bacon in it. Not bad they are, those little meals, to be honest. Alright as a little, you know, keep you going on a journey. I'm going to enjoy that. My cup of tea's ready. Going to get that down me and then head off home. So there you have it. A nice quick little Trangia meal. Didn't take long at all, that didn't. That's probably the quickest meal I've ever made. So yeah, on the outdoors, that is. We're in the outdoors? Not really in the outdoors, I suppose, are we? So used to being outdoors that I'm actually sat in a camper van and I'm like, oh, well, I kind of am outdoors because look outside. There you go. It's like a little picnic area, truck stop, look. Got little picnic benches up there. But yeah, that's about as close as I can get to the outdoors at the minute. Some trees and a little bit of grass. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.